Today we're gonna do car wash and we're gonna do a police car. Oh, look at that. That's so dirty. That is really, really dirty. What have they been doing to get that dirty? Anyway, they're going in the garage. And now what we're gonna do? Oh, we're gonna do some water on it. That's water, isn't it? Oh, look, most of the mud is coming off already. That's looking good, that is. Oh yeah, and scrub off all the mud on the wheels, get them a bit more shiny. Oh, they're looking good. Oh, now lots and lots of bubbles. Need lots of bubbles, soapy bubbles of course. Oh look, there's a doggy at the back, he's smiling. And there is the brushes coming in. There they are, cleaning off all the bubbles. Yeah, that's looking, oh well, I don't know whether that's made any difference. It still looks very muddy. But we're there. See what happens next. See if we can get all the mud off. Oh, there's more water. Oh, look, there's lots of water coming on the car now. Oh, look what I noticed at the back of the car. There's a ducky, a little rubber ducky. Oh, and there's some water coming up from underneath as well. Now we're going to dry all the water off. Let's see if that's made it any. Oh, that's a lot better now, isn't it? That's lovely and clean, and now all the sparkly stars coming in from being dry and very shiny. Isn't that clever? Let's see what we're going to do now. Oh, is it all done? Yeah, all done. It's all clean. And look, we've done 2 now. Bye bye.